Hello and welcome to another English lesson with me, Beth. Today we will be talking about when to use a, an or some with countable nouns. Hopefully you already know about countable and uncountable nouns in English. If not, you could watch my previous video which is all about countable and uncountable nouns. So here is a quick review of the difference between countable and uncountable nouns. Countable nouns are objects that can be counted as individual things. For example, book or books, apple and apples, pencil, pencils, shoe and shoes. So you can have a singular or a plural of countable nouns. Compare this with uncountable nouns which cannot be counted, such as water, sand, furniture, and luggage. So these nouns you cannot make plural. You cannot have one furniture and two furnitures. It is an uncountable noun, therefore the only form is furniture. Countable nouns can be singular or plural. We can use a or an before singular countable nouns as an indefinite article. For example, if you are talking about an object for the first time, or if it's not a specific object. Here, I want to eat an apple. It's not important which apple, so we use an as an indefinite article. Please pass me a pencil. It's any pencil. I don't mind which. So again, we use a as an indefinite article. You can't have a singular countable noun without some kind of article or a possessive adjective. For example, my. So you can say, we bought a bag of apples, but you can't say, we bought bag of apples. I can see a beautiful rose, but not, I can see beautiful rose. Remember to bring an umbrella, not, remember to bring umbrella. And as a quick reminder, we use a before words which start with a consonant sound and an before words which start with a vowel sound. With plural countable nouns, we do not use a or an. Compare the singular and plural here. So singular, an elephant is a huge animal. And plural, elephants are huge animals. So here we have an elephant, because that's singular, and a huge animal, because that's also singular. Here, both nouns are plural, so there are no articles. She is a teacher. They are teachers. Is he a nice person? Are they nice people? She is wearing an ugly dress. They are all wearing ugly dresses. The pirate is wearing a gold earring. Pirates wear gold earrings. The child is eating a sweet. The child is eating sweets. So hopefully that will help you to remember that with plural countable nouns, as on this side, we do not use a or an. So instead of a or an before plural countable nouns, we can use some. Some can mean two things: a small number, a few, or a pair, as in, I bought some new jeans. She met some new people. And they gave me some chocolates for my birthday. So here, some means a small number, a few, or a pair. It can also mean a few, but not all, of a group of things or people, as in, some of my relatives live in Australia. Not all my relatives, but some of them. Some couples never want to get married. Not all couples, but a few couples, some couples, never want to get married. I'm allergic to some types of nut. I'm not allergic to all nuts, but I'm allergic to some types of nut. So we can use some before plural countable nouns. However, if we are talking about things in general, we do not use some. For example, I like chocolates. That means I like all chocolates. We are talking in general. If we add the word some, it changes the meaning of the sentence. So I like some chocolates means I like some types of chocolates, but not all chocolates. She's a doctor. She treats sick people. Means she treats all sick people in general. If we add some into that sentence, it changes the meaning. So it becomes, she's a doctor. She treats some sick people. That means she doesn't treat all sick people. She only treats some. The meaning of the sentence has been changed. We use a or an to talk about what something or somebody is like. For example, that's a cute dog. That is a beautiful flower. Fiona is a police officer. If we are talking like this about more than one thing, we use the plural noun by itself. For example, they are cute dogs, not they are some cute dogs. They are beautiful flowers, not they are some beautiful flowers. And Fiona and Sam are both police officers, not Fiona and Sam are both some police officers. This is the correct form. So, let's practice. Choose a, an, or some to fill in the gaps in the following sentences. If no word is needed, leave the gap empty. There are 10 sentences. Pause the video now and see if you can fill in those gaps with a, an, or some, or leaving the gap empty. Now let's go through the answers together. Number 1. They mostly made good decisions in that game, but also some bad decisions. Here we use some with bad decisions because the word some is being used to separate the bad decisions from a larger group of decisions. A few decisions were bad, but not all. Number 2. James didn't go to school today. He had a headache. Headache is a countable noun and it is singular, so we have used the article a. Number 3. It's my birthday. Some friends from work are coming for dinner. Here we have used some because friends is a countable noun. It's plural, and we say some friends because not all my friends are coming, just some of them. A few friends are coming for dinner. Number 4. Maria used to be a teacher, but she quit recently. So here we use the indefinite article a because we are talking about what Maria was like. She used to be a teacher. Teacher is a singular countable noun. Number 5. If this country was at war, would you become a soldier? Soldier is a countable noun. It's singular, so we have used a. Number 6. Our chicken used to lay an egg every day, but now she lays less. Here we have used the indefinite article an because egg is a singular countable noun and it begins with a vowel sound. Number 7. Some people are afraid of heights. Not all people, a few people. So we use some. Number 8. She's got brown eyes and a beautiful smile. Here we don't need an article before eyes because it is plural. And we don't say she's got some brown eyes because that sounds like she's got some brown eyes and maybe some blue eyes. But both her eyes are brown. She's got brown eyes and a beautiful smile. Smile is singular countable noun, so we use a. Number 9. You need a ticket to get into some exhibitions, but not all. Ticket is a singular countable noun, so we have used a. And we have said some exhibitions because we don't mean all exhibitions, just a few. And number 10, last one. My dad can remember some faces, but not many. His memory is getting worse. So here we have used some because faces is plural countable noun and we are meaning a few faces, not all faces, just a few. So well done if you got all of those correct. Now let's practice using this photo of a lovely kitchen. Look at the picture and describe what objects are circled. Use the sentence format I can see, a, an, or some plus the noun. So what objects are circled here? That's right. Well done. I can see some lights. Not many lights, but some lights. You could also use the word lamps. What object is circled here? Well done. It's a mirror. So we say, I can see a mirror. One mirror, a singular countable noun. What objects are circled here? It's quite small, it's over here. That's right. I can see some books. Good job. Now, what is circled here? Well done. I can see some drawers. Another one. What's in this circle? Good job. I can see a tap. And last one over here. Good job. I can see a fridge. Well done if you used a, an and some in the correct places. Let's do that again with these colourful fruits and vegetables. What is circled here? Well done. I can see a pumpkin. What is circled here? Exactly. I can see an apple. And here? Well done. I can see a pepper. Over here? Good job. I can see some carrots. Over here? There's more than one. It's plural. Well done. I can see some tomatoes. And here in the middle, again, it's plural. Well done. I can see some grapes. And last one, they're very small, down here. These are green beans. Yep, and they are plural. So we say, I can see some green beans. Good job. And that's the end of our lesson today. I hope you feel more confident now, thinking about when to use the indefinite articles a or an, or the quantifier some. If you found this video useful, as always, please like and subscribe and tell your friends. Write in the comments any questions or what you found helpful, and also tell me what else you want to learn. I would love to hear from you. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye.